Southeast Florida faces the perfect storm of challenges. Our communities need to be more resilient, and we need to be implementing more sustainable solutions that will be able to weather the future of what's going to look like in this region.
Arcadis is a very large worldwide firm and has a lot of expertise throughout the world and working on water resource projects. We can do just about everything from topographic surveys, geotechnical explorations and designs, as well as the structural, mechanical, electrical, and civil engineering design of a project for a water resource project.
I've been working with stormwater management projects for over 10 years now. It's incredibly rewarding for me to be able to be from Miami and understand the problems, the flooding that we have with even minor storm events.
A project we recently completed was for the South Florida Water Management District, and that was the C-139 flow equalization basin.
When I explain to people what I do for a living, it's really easy for them to understand because drinking water, garbage, these are all things that everybody can understand. And when they turn on their tap, I'm really proud to be able to say that the water that they're going to be drinking is clean. The garbage that they're going to throw away is handled in a responsible way.
For the city of Fort Lauderdale, we're doing some owner's rep, 54-inch water main that is being installed. It's stretchless technology, so that's helpful for the residents and for the city because there is no restoration, no disruptions to the residents. Projects will be completed quicker.
One interesting project I've been working on is nanofiltration upgrades for the city of Miramar. We're upgrading the existing nanofiltration arrays to increase their capacity.
As part of the 20-year improvement plan, one of the tasks I was working on is to perform an alternative analysis for the different repairs and replacement for different assets of the water treatment plant. In doing so, the utility can prioritize what they fix versus complete replacement that will benefit the community on the long term.
My team and we help cities like Fort Lauderdale and the town of Davie identify their critical assets and then determine how vulnerable those assets are to different flooding scenarios. So a lot of the work that we do around these vulnerability assessments are funded through the Resilient Florida program. So it's important that we help them maintain compliance with these grants so that they can keep the funding that they've been awarded.
I'm really proud of all the amazing work that we do, particularly in the waste-to-energy space. We have such a large volume of material in South Florida, and waste-to-energy is an amazing way to reduce the volume of that waste into something that's far more manageable and sustainable.
Well, I work with a group of solid waste professionals throughout Florida and the Southeast United States, and we serve as owner's agent and bond engineer for clients that have waste-to-energy facilities. What's interesting about Florida's hydrology and waste-to-energy specifically is that Florida has a very high water table. Because of that, siting a landfill is not always best for our aquifers and can impact water quality. I am a native Floridian, so water quality is extremely important to me. And my biggest client that I work for right now, the Solid Waste Authority of Palm Beach County, I'm actually a native Palm Beach County resident. I have lived there all my life and I still live there today. So I'm keeping my water clean.
I'm really excited about continuing to put projects in the ground that don't just have benefits for the people and the communities that live in them, but also really great environmental benefits.
Our industry, it's moving forward to develop and use advanced technologies to better treat our water and solving pressing issues such as PFAS.
For younger engineers, Arcadis offers a tremendous opportunity to be exposed to some very large, sophisticated projects.
Being able to mentor young engineers is really a passion of mine as well, and transferring that knowledge that we've learned with our clients and lessons learned on projects so the next generation can build up and continue our legacy.
It's very exciting to be able to lead this multi-generational group of professionals who are delivering water, wastewater, resilience, solid waste, stormwater projects in Southeast Florida. Really being able to thrive off the energy, the passion, and the commitment of the younger generations is helping us to not only provide more innovative and more exciting solutions in the region, but more importantly, of bringing it home that for us, improving quality of life starts right in our backyards. It starts in our communities, and we want to be part of that.